Here's a comparison between Welltory and Bevel. On Welltory, this is actually accurate and good for those iPhone users because you can go ahead and sync your health access data automatically with your Welltory application. On the other hand, Bevel is good for Android users or also for Apple users. So this is more complex because it balances your nutrition, sleep, as well as your fitness. Now here's a table for a concise comparison. For core focus, Welltory is providing personalized insights and lifestyle advice, while Bevel is a fitness, train, and holistic health management. For key metric, Welltory has an energy and stress indicators, while Bevel recovery score and strength score for workout optimization. For additional strength, Welltory integrates with over 1,000 data sources, while Bevel is for nutrition and logging. So if you're looking for a more precise application for fitness, Welltory is the right one for you. But if you're looking for more recovery application tracker, then Bevel is the right one for you.